Hi, my name is Aleksandryna. I'm a watercolor artist. I love creating easy-to-follow painting classes to share my knowledge.
In this class, we will create two class projects. One is a striped red ribbon and the hairstyle. Another one is red shoes. If you want to dive into fashion illustration and improve your painting skills, this class is for you. You will learn how to use the wet-on-wet technique for soft edges, build dimension with different shades of red, paint hair texture, and add depth through layering. I'll provide traceable sketches, material recommendations, and share my favorite red colors.
This class is perfect for intermediate artists who want to improve their painting skills and create fashion illustrations step by step. Grab your brushes and I'll see you in the class.